Okay, this is problem 24 from chapter 4. This is a rate of return calculation. There are several ways to do this. First one we're going to do is use the net asset value. I find that simpler than dealing with the shares, but you can do them any way you choose. So you purchase 1,000 shares of the new fund at a price of $20 per share. At the beginning of the year, you paid a front-end load of 4%. The securities in which the fund invests increase in value by 12% during the year. The fund's expense ratio is 1.2%. What is your rate of return of the fund if you sell your shares at the end of the year? So the net asset value is going to be the purchase price times 1 minus the load. So 1 minus the 4% load. Whoops. So that's 1920. So the increase in value is the 1920, or the net asset value, times the 12%. And then the expenses are also based on the 1920, the beginning value. So times the 1.2%. So my ending value is 1920 plus the $2.30 minus the expenses. That's 2127. So my the thing we got to remember here is that we invested $20. So my rate of return is my ending value, my 2127 minus the $20 divided by 20. So 6.37%. So if I want to do this on a share price basis, I take the 20 and I multiply it times 1,000, the number of shares, and then I multiply that by 1 minus the front end load, so 19,200. So my growth is the 19,200 times 12%. And then my fees are the 19,200 times the 1.2%. So the ending value is, whoops. Oh, is that right? There we go. Yeah, so my ending value is $21,273.60. So now to calculate the rate of return, it's just the 21,273 minus 20,000 divided by 20,000, 6.37%. The other way to do this, let me format it. So you just equals 1 times 1 times 1 minus 0.04, the load, and then we multiply that by 1 plus the growth minus the fees, and then we subtract 1. If I did this correctly, I should get 6.37%. So either way, and any of these ways are perfectly acceptable. I just need to keep track of what your actual investment was. So